Former council member P.G. Sittenfeld was convicted on federal corruption charges. Today, his attorneys appealed to try and get him out of federal prison. The federal court does not allow cameras, but WLWT News 5's Brian Hamrick was in the courtroom for us for the closely watched case, and really interesting today, Brian.
Yeah, Sheree, well, it's very high profile. There were so many people in the courtroom, some of them had to go to an overflow area. This was a federal court version of a lightning round. Both sides had just 15 minutes to make their case. P.G. Sittenfeld, the man who had a seat on city council, now sitting in a federal prison, sentenced to 16 months on charges that he misused the power of public office.
At City Hall, we obviously, we do have the power to pull policy levers in a way that can be incredibly powerful.
During his trial in 2022, prosecutors showed secretly recorded FBI tapes. Sittenfeld was found guilty of accepting $40,000 in campaign donations in exchange for his support of a development project.
2 or 4, the other 2 are coming. I'm very appreciative.
Now, at the same courthouse where he was convicted, he's appealing. Sittenfeld's attorney said he made it clear, my vote is not dependent on donations of the money you give me. Prosecutors said a jury already looked at all of the evidence and found Sittenfeld's testimony not credible. A panel of 3 judges will decide if Sittenfeld's conviction will be overturned.
You never want to bet that a criminal conviction is going to get overruled because it only happens about 10% of the time.
Ken Katkin is a professor at Chase College of Law. He watched the hearing from the packed courtroom and says, despite the numbers, this case is different.
There really are above average reversal rates in public corruption cases compared to other kinds of cases. And I'm going to go out on a limb and say I think he's got a better than even chance of getting the reversal.
Like he did in the past, Sittenfeld is looking ahead.
We have come to shape the future.
This time, hoping the future he changes is his own. Yeah, now Sittenfeld's attorney asked the judges to let him out of prison until the case is decided. Now, the judges can do that. If they do, it might be an indicator that they would rule in Sittenfeld's favor on the appeal. Brian Hamrick, WLWT News 5.